All right, pitching down.
Okay. Verify pitch down 10 degrees. Looks good.
And we're going to do a left roll.
Okay. Yep. Verifying it just went left. Good.
Yep. Okay. Clear.
Battery of aircraft 99%. Battery voltage is 49.87.
Aircraft is armed.
Confirmed armed.
All right. Initiating takeoff now.
Okay. Six feet. 17 feet. 30 feet. 40 feet. 60 feet. 90 feet. 120. 145. 160. Now 200. System strength is 99. We're looking good.
Okay.
Waypoint 3. Take it over. You good? Okay, add auto.
Okay, Ryan, let's
Okay.
do a switch confirmation. I am in
Okay,
auto.
I am in auto mode.
Is off.
2,500 feet to waypoint 3, 99% connectivity. Voltage is 44.2. 99% connectivity. 44.08 volts. Small EKF, but it's going down. We're fine. $15, 10, 7.
Touchdown. Disarming.
Down and clear. Disarm.
Nice. Confirm disarm.
Phenomenal job, guys.
Confirm disarm.
guys.
Yes, Ken.